Welcome back to my channel. And also too, sorry if I'm gonna be like a little bit quiet. It's like 9:30 at night and I don't really want people to hear me, but yeah. I guess what I'm just trying to say is welcome back to 31 days of Allieween. I'm really excited. I've had so much fun creating these makeup looks, and even though like I'm not like a complete expert at makeup, I just had fun. And so you will see in some tutorials that some tutorials are better than other ones, and that's okay. I'm still a beginner. I'm no way a professional at all. I'm just having fun with it, and I thought this would be like a fun way to challenge my creativity along with like my skills, I guess, even though I don't really feel like I have many skills. But yeah, that's about it. If you don't know what Allieween is, it's basically just every day in October I upload a new makeup tutorial every day, and that's about it. So I mean, if I'm gonna rewind a bit, this is kind of my third attempt at it. My first year I called it Allieween, which is, just the H at the beginning and then the alley in the middle, and then that kind of just flopped. And then last year I just stuck to 31 days of Halloween, and I continued it on my Instagram account. By the way, it's gonna be linked down below. But the video part, it was a big hassle and like a big technical difficulty, and that wasn't very fun. So this year I've prepared, and I'm hoping I can make this my best try yet. I mean, third time's a charm, right? So we're gonna see. And so yeah, I guess that's just enough of me rambling. Now you know what Allieween is, and now you can, we will just get on into this tutorial. Alright, so first I'm going to prime my eyelids with the NYX eyeshadow base in Nude. Then I'm just going to put some Scotch tape, and I'm actually only doing this to my left eye. And then for the eyes, I'm going in with the Chocolate Bar palette, and I'm going to be honest, I don't really know the names of these shades off the top of my head, since this palette was old and didn't really have the shade names on there. So I'll just display them on here for you. And then I'm going to go in with the Too Faced black eyeliner, and then I'm going to go in with this NYX crystal liner in crystal gold. Then I'm just taking off that Scotch tape. Then I'm just going to prime my face with the Smashbox primer water, and taking the NYX eyeliner pencil in black, and I'm literally just drawing a bunch of lines on my face and attempting to make it look like it's kind of being cracked open. And I'm going with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the shade Light Sand, I believe. I can't remember. And you see that for my under eyes. And I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Golden Beige, and just blending that around on the outside parts of the cracks. Then I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in Dulce de Leche, I believe, and just contouring around the cracks again. Then I'm putting this Too Faced Love Flush on, and applying a little bit of highlighter with this Milk highlighter stick, and topping it off with this ColourPop highlighter. I'm going to be honest, I don't really remember what the shade was. Then I'm going to be drawing some of that cracked on my chest as well. And then I'm going in with the Snazaroo black face paint, and I'm just taking this makeup wedge sponge and just trying to blend it in. And I find it that this shade is like really, I'm not gonna say it's really hard, but you just really have to be patient and just try to build up the color. By the end of this tutorial, we'll see I was not that patient and left some spots that could have been covered up more, but I still feel like it turned out pretty okay anyway. And by the way, I'm sorry if I keep sniffling or my voice sounds like this. I am currently sick, but the show must go on.
And then I'm continuing to blend out that face paint down on my chest. And I'm sorry if I don't show a whole much of my chest. I realize now that the camera angles kind of showed a little bit more than it should have, so that's pretty much all you get. Then I'm going to kind of like go back with the Wet n Wild black gel liner, and I'm going to kind of like further define the cracks while a little bit filling in the spots that I missed. Then I'm going in with this gold yellowish Sazaru face paint, and I'm taking this little brush, and basically I'm just trying to create the little eyes with the little mouths, and yep, and those are the critters that are inside. And then I'm going to go back with the contour palette and just kind of like contour around it, or kind of like fill it in around it to kind of give it like that 3D look type of effect thing. I don't know, I can't think of the words right now, I'm sorry. And then I'm not doing the same to my chest. And then I went in with these NYX white liquid liner and using that to kind of like apply it on the high points of the cracks to kind of give it a more like 3D effect.
Alright, and that is it for this makeup tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun creating it, as well as all of them. All these were pretty fun. But anyway, that's pretty much it for today's look. We will see you tomorrow with a new one, but don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, whatever you want. Also check out my social media, link down below. And if you are a Pura Vida bracelet or a SandCloud shopper, don't forget to check out my discount codes that will also be linked down below. And I guess that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow with a new one. Bye!